My name is Midilaj. I'm a businessman. Actually, I was here for my public speaking skills, but I have to mention that our awesome coach, Alexa, he made me believe that I can also do acting, and it was wonderful experience, and it's improved my overall confidence, and it's made me believe that I can do something. Actually, I'm not yet prepared for anything. I'm still in the beginning, and I will take these experience as a fuel for my future acting and my career. Zara Stars give a wonderful experience. The studio and overall experience is very good. I suggest for everyone who want to get a nice acting method, acting skills, or screen acting skills, or public speaking. I strongly suggest Zara Stars.